From the streets of Naija to the heart of the nation. Now here we dey break the gist. News where everybody understand.
If you miss this weather gist, and I go blame yourself when rain disgrace your drip today. No be small update. Na Pidgin Vibez weather report. We go break am state by state, make you know enta yawa. Lagos, Ogun, Oyo. Morning go calm, but afternoon he go bite. Later rain fit fall like surprise test. Osun, Ondo, Ekiti. Na mixed feeling. Sun, breeze, small rain. Whether they behave like X, no gree decide. Rivers, Bayelsa, Delta, Akwa Ibom, Cross River. Heavy rain alert. Ground go soak well. Abeg no wear white shoe. Edo, Anambra, cloudy morning. Later sun go shine. But sky fit still change mind though. Kogi, Kwara, Benue, Niger. Hot afternoon, but evening breeze go calm body small smell. Abuja, Nasarawa, sun go first flex, later cloud go gather like people for free giveaway. Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, Jigawa, dry heat gade plus dust. Abeg, cover your nose oh. Sokoto, Zamfara, Kebbi, no full sun matter. No joke with water, your body go thank you. Plateau, Bachi, Gombe, weather go soft small, cool breeze plus light in fit show face. Taraba, Adamawa, clouds go full sky, rain fit drop anytime like unexpected alert. My people, weather no dey warm before a change plan. Today sun, tomorrow flood. So anywhere you dey, carry umbrella, drink water, shine your eye, make you no go fall victim. Before you come out house tomorrow, check here first. Na Pidgin Vibez we dey give you real weather gist wey dey save life.